Good evening, ma'am. I am Jumarim Chuduralidan, and I'll talk about the Asian regionalism. So, ang ako din napilian na policy, ma'am, is ang Philippines. So, the Asian regionalism means cooperation and unity among Asian countries to achieve peace and development. The Philippines supports this through Asian or the Association of Southern Asian Nation. So, mura na siya wag tinabangin gani, ma'am, sa mga kanang nadiri sa Asia para sa kanang para ma-achieve ganito ang peace. So foreign policy, the Philippines promotes peace, friendship, and cooperation with other nations. Through Asian, our leaders discuss issues like climate change and security and regional peace. So ato pa daw, ma'am, gusto daw sa Pilipinas nga magpuyo kita ganang malinawon gani mga peace, ma'am, nya og ganang magkasinabtanay nga nadiri sulod sa Pilipinas. So economic policy is the Philippines supports trade partnership with Asian countries, with other Asian countries. So we are part of Asian Free Trade Area and RCEP, which help our economy grow and create more jobs. So mao na ang mas dagan pa kay oportunidad sa negosyo gani, ma'am, negosyo ug trabaho diri sa Pilipinas tungod sa uban nga na diri sa Asia, naa sa Asia. So role in Asia regionalism, the Philippines is founding a member of ASEAN since 1967. So we support programs that improves education and tourism and disaster response across Asia. So, bisan sa gamay nga na sulod na to kay kanang dako gyapon tabang sa pagpalambo sa Asia, ma'am. So in short, the Philippines believe that working together makes Asian together through unity and cooperation. We can build a peaceful and progressive region. So, thank you, ma'am.